What's going on, everybody? Feder here from 3D Print SOS. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're actually going back to the Disruptive Ink Studios to put together my long-awaited Stage Top 2 custom modular board game table. I'm so excited. I've been printing forever to get everything done. Lots and lots of plastic. I got my helper with me. Everything's packed in the car. We're gonna go get this thing assembled, and I'll meet you back here after the assembly video. Let's go. Man, that thing is just absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage of the build, and we've already tested it, played a game, and it was just absolutely awesome to be able to move pieces from one spot to another, whether you want your cup on the left today or on the right today, whether another player joins and you can move a section and move their player pieces to another spot. That modularity is just absolutely next level, and this table was not only possible because of Gutshot Games, but also our video sponsor, PCBWAY. Do you need PCBs, 3D printing, CNC machining, or even injection molding? PCBWAY has you covered. Their services are very affordable. I was honestly surprised. It's no wonder makers all over the world trust them for their projects. Fast, reliable, easy to use, PCBWAY helps bring your ideas to life. Be sure to check out the link in the description for the latest deals, and a big thanks to PCBWAY for sponsoring today's video. All right, so I'm going to be really open about the cost of this project because it's not for everybody. Not only is the table itself and making it to this level is not for everybody, but also the cost. So I spent a total of $475 on Polymaker Filament for this project, and that's not cheap. But however, you can do it for probably around $300 for the same amount of filament if you went with another company. I chose Polymaker because I know they're a premium filament. They're going to work in all of my machines, whether it's an AMS or not. There's no spool issues, none of that stuff. And if there is, they take care of it pretty quickly. So instead of going budget, I decided to go pretty premium for this filament. Also because they have a massive selection of colors and I could literally pick whatever I want. And they had exactly what I wanted. So you can do it a little bit cheaper if you go with another brand, but I highly suggest Polymaker. Links down below. Outside of that, for those that don't know, or maybe they do know, board game tables and custom board game tables are extremely expensive. We're talking multi-thousands of dollars, especially if you want to make something custom or custom size or a custom type of table. The price keeps going up and up. And if you want to make something yourself, like I mentioned before, you need custom tools. You need literally a garage full of dangerous tools to be able to do it. Whereas with a project like Stage Top 2, you can get it done on one machine, and even if you don't have a 3D printer, you could technically buy a 3D printer, something like a P1P or a MK4S, or even a Core 1, or a K1C, or the new K2 machines, for example. Just something that can print reliably and quickly on our standard between 220 250 millimeter build plate. Those machines will be able to handle this project. And what's funny is, even with the cost of one of those machines, pretty much any of those machines, it would still be cheaper than a custom wooden table. Is the quality the same? No, not quite, but I gotta say, this thing is super sturdy. We tested it, we played some games. You can rest your arms on it, both of them. I mean, just the cool thing about moving your drink to another and all this, it's just amazing. It's a really fun project. I can't suggest it anymore. If you're into board gaming at all and into 3D printing, or maybe this is your gateway into 3D printing, I highly suggest checking out Stage Top 2. All right, guys, that's all for me. I really enjoy this project. I think everyone that ever comes to my office and sees this thing is going to enjoy it too. All right, you guys know what to do. Links, affiliates down below for everything that I mentioned in the video. There's a Discord channel. Check out our cool merch at 3dprintsos.com. And as always, I'll see you in the comments. Later.